Hey everyone, hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be discussing the health benefits of goji berries. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. Goji berries, also known as wolfberry fruit, are usually found in Asia in the northwest regions of China. Goji berries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years. Traditionally, dried goji berries are cooked before they are consumed and are commonly used in soups, herbal teas, tinctures, wine, juices, and medicine. Here are some of the health benefits of goji berries. Goji berries are considered a superfood. They contain high levels of antioxidants that can stop damage from free radicals, UV light, and oxidative stress. Goji berries also boost your immunity and enhances the production of your blood cells and platelets. Goji berries may be helpful in stabilizing your blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that goji berries balance insulin and glucose levels in the blood. Studies have also shown that goji berries may increase HDL levels, also known as good cholesterol, in people with type 2 diabetes. Goji berries may also improve depression, anxiety, and sleep. Studies have shown that drinking goji berry juice could improve energy, mood, and digestive health. Goji berries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat liver disease. Goji berries should be avoided if you have an autoimmune disease because it promotes inflammations since it is part of the Solanaceae family. It is therefore a nightshade. Nightshades are inflammatory. So if you have rheumatoid arthritis or any other autoimmune disease, avoid goji berries. Goji berries may interact with some drugs such as warfarin, diabetes drugs, and high blood pressure drugs. And as always, please consult with your physician. So I hope everyone learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.